Welcome! Song 17, The Farm 3.
Ano naman eh? Ano wag ginagawa mo sa album mo? Ha?
Farm 3?
Puro lang tawa.
We need content.
Ano pa ko sa content mo? Puro tawa po.
But you're the one who said we should do the Farm 3.
Pero not like this.
Then how? Tell me.
Mag-isip ka kasi ng content mo ah.
Yeah, then you help me. Come on.
Ano ba?
Come on.
Ay, mag-think ka din ah.
I already thought the manga room. And you don't want that. So you think.
Ano ba kasi storyline natin?
I don't know. I asked you that.
Ano ba? Most of the manggarom kasi is cool.
Hindi is cool. Hindi is joke.
This cool.
Hindi is cool.
This cool.
Let's just, I don't know, make song 17. Come on.
Good job for second.
Stop the fun.
Uy, ano ba kasing content?
Hindi ko galap.
I'm suffering. Ano ba kasing content mo ay?
I don't know.
Pag-isip ka kasi ng content mo.
I feel like it.
Pag-isip ka ng content mo, pre.
Okay, this is our last bit of content. And then the next song will be our goodbye.
Wait na, naitatag tayo. Ano mo yun? Ano mo yun? Nanay. Wait lang. Nanay. Ay. Nanay.
Ay, hindi. Nay.
Nanay. Huh?
Ha?
Nanay.
Mamaya na.
Ano ba ito? Nanay. Tatay. Na.
Nay. Sigh. 1, 2, 3.
Seryoso. Yung seryoso.
Sa one hand na lang.
Nay. Stock.
Wala. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1. Tapos 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1.
Dapat tapusin ito. Ganito kasi.
1.
Hindi. 1, 2, 3, go. Nanay, tatay, gusto ko tinapay, ate, kuya, gusto ko kape.
I think we wrote the Form 3 at the wrong time.
Susundin ko.
I think we probably should have waited until we actually wanted to write this album.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Ay, hindi ko na kaya. The Form 2 was better. The end of song 17.